equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by gathering your tools. You'll need a screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a vacuum cleaner. First, unplug the appliance for safety. Next, remove the screws from the back panel. This will give you access to the internal components. Once open, use the vacuum cleaner to remove any dust and debris. Pay special attention to the fan and motor areas. A clean interior ensures better performance. After cleaning, visually inspect all parts. Look for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice anything unusual, it's best to seek a professional diagnosis without obligation. Reassemble the appliance by replacing the back panel and securing it with screws. Make sure everything is tight to avoid any rattling during operation. For convenience, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means no calls, no travel, and you can get a quote before repair. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your appliance and keep it running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.